What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackingtons, episode 180 something or other. I was gone for like 3 weeks and nobody entered any of the numbers for any of the episodes that were done in my place. I have no idea what episode number this is. Please let me know in the comments or in the chat or in the hacker box or somewhere where I can read it. Beam it directly into my eyeballs. Whatever you got to do, let me know what episode number this is. Let's look at some cool projects. And by the way, I was gone because, well, I had a baby. All right, let's get into it. First up, we have Simran's blog, the Sima blog. This is really, really cool. The aesthetics of this website are so good. I love this muted blue that matches the muted grays that are on the text here. It's just so appealing to the eye, and this color scheme is carried throughout the site. This is super smart design. I love this. And coolest part at the bottom here, Simran has a way where you could actually comment on the blog, which is so cool. It looks like Simran's commented on her own post. Liz is commented in here. If you haven't already, check this out. This is super, super cool. And that little comment section down here, yes, it uses a back end, but it's actually not that hard. Inspect, view page source, and you might be able to figure out how Simran did this. And if Simran's feeling generous, maybe drop it in the hacker box. Really, really cool website. Here we have Atharv's Cats vs. Dogs. Now this is another database manipulating website, and Atharv actually used rest.db.io to make this. This is really, really cool. So you can actually vote if you like cats or dogs better, and it saves it to a database, which is so cool. I already voted. I can't remember what I voted for. I think I just clicked something random, but the site is also super gorgeous. I love it. Awesome job. All right, here we have Ayush's Pirate Scourge game. Now, this game already has over 100 votes, and it hasn't even been on this show yet. Go play this game and upvote it. This is really, really cool. Play if you dare. I dare. All right, so I already know the controls because I'm a pro gamer. Apparently I don't know how to start the game. Okay, so I'm gonna go pick up this gun, sprint over there. I'm getting like 8 frames a second because this is not a gaming PC. Run away from the skeleton, run away. All right, aim, and pirates have handguns? What is this? This is inaccurate. I refuse. Game breaking, broken game, can't play because this is really, really cool. I can jump on the ship. I can then buy some damage and set sail, and it actually moves me to the next island. And Ayush has so many cool islands. The next one requires parkour, which I'm garbage at. So I'm not even going to make you watch me fail at that over and over and over and over again, but this is really, really cool. I encourage all of you guys to go play that and see if you can beat my high score of beating Island 1. Can you do it? Nah, you can't. You do it. That's it for the Best of Hackingtons. Go out there, compete in the competitions. I think Piggly Wiggly just ended, so we're gonna judge that. We got another one coming up soon. If you haven't heard of X Prize, Google that. That's really cool. Join our shows in the morning. What else can I plug? Buy hydro flasks, buy Bic mechanical pencils, sponsored by Apple. This is not sponsored by Apple. Please don't sue me, Apple. You didn't sponsor this episode. But if you want to, hit up your bro. All right, see you guys.